All right, YouTube, check it out, man. I just got a box in from Stylecraft and Gamma. We're gonna go ahead and open this up. Check out what it is, you know what I'm saying? Hey, but before we actually dive deeper into this video, I wanna say I got a lot of videos coming. I got a lot of reviews, unboxings, and other stuff that I've been trying to do for y'all, but I've just been really busy. I got a lot of tools in, a lot of stuff under the review, so y'all bear with me, you know what I'm saying? All these videos coming soon, but nonetheless, man, let's go ahead and get into this video. And before we actually dive deeper into this video, do your boy a favor, like the video, comment, share, subscribe one time for your boy, you know what I'm saying? All that good stuff. But with that being said, let's go ahead and open this box up. So I'm assuming it's gonna be the Instinct X from Stylecraft and Gamma. Let's go ahead and open this thing up and see if that's what it is or if we got something different. All right, we got some of this in here. Let's put that to the side. Oh, check that out. We got us a new apron, a Stylecraft apron. Let's put that to the side. And then we got another box in here. Let's see what it is. Oh, yeah. All right, check it out. As you can see, let's go ahead and start opening this thing up. So we want to put a little slash in it. All right, check that out. We got a little box from Stylecraft Pro in here. Let's open this thing up. Let's go. Look at that. Check that out. Hey, that's tight right there. Instinct X. Let's go, baby. Put that down right there. Check it out, man. Let's check out this box. The Stylecraft Pro Instinct X. As you can see, they got the lids. We got a white lid, we got a black lid, and we got a red lid. That white looks pretty dope. That black looks pretty dope too. But then check it out. On the side, we got this stuff right here. We got this on this side of the box. I'm gonna go ahead and read the back for y'all. Just a little bit, not too much of it. I'm not gonna dive deep into the box, but let's go ahead and read what some of the stuff on the back says. The Instinct X is assembled with a fixed black diamond fade blade with superior blending, fading and bulk removal, and a black diamond shallow 2.0 cutting blade for the smoothest, crunchiest cutting. We got a vector motor, offers an unmatched 11,500 strokes per minute with unstoppable power. Fully adjustable blade can be easily zero gapped. Additional housings are included for 3 different color mods and transparent motor showcase options. Check that out, man. One more time. Let me go ahead and read this stuff up here. Black diamond carbon fixed fade blade, customizable click lever or floating lever, whatever one you want. 4 hours of cordless runtime with a charging stand included. Extreme power with an ergonomically designed compact body. Comes with 8 white dub magnetic guards, the oil, all that stuff. But let's go ahead and check this out one more time. Check that out. High vector motor, 4 hours of runtime, dub magnetic guards, 11,500 RPMs, intuitive torque control, customizable lever, different lids, all that good stuff. So check it out, man. That's the box. This is the inside of the box, as y'all can see. We got the artwork right here, and then we have the clipper right here. I'm gonna go ahead and get this out before we look at the lid and all that good stuff. So check it out. Here is the Instinct X. I'm excited for it. The Instincts were one of my go-tos for a good minute, but we got the Instinct X in here. Check it out. We do have a fade blade. Me personally, I would have liked the Vapor blade, but ain't nothing wrong with a fade blade. I like fade blades too. Check it out. We got the all black case on there. Feels good. Kind of feels like an Ergo in the hand. You know, kind of reminds me of the older Ergo and the X Ergo. But check that out. We got the body, we got the click lever right here. We have a USB charging port down at the bottom, and then we got the regular charging port at the very bottom. On and off switch right here. Let's go ahead and turn this on. Super quiet. We got that click lever on there. Y'all know I'm a fan of click levers, but check that out, man. That's the Instinct X. And then y'all know it comes with 3 other lids. We get the white lid. I like this white lid. I might throw this white one on there. And then we also get a black lid, or I'm sorry, a red lid. I'm colorblind. We get a red lid also. But let's move this out the way so we can see what else comes in the box. So then we also get some white dub guards. I rock with the white dub guards. They're pretty cool. We get a charging dock, as you can see, with the non-slip things at the bottom. We get the USB cord to charge the clipper. And then we also get just the regular charger that you can connect either to the charging dock or into the clipper. And then we get a stretch bracket, different levers, you know what I'm saying? Some oil, some screws, another cam follower, the trusty screwdriver from SC, put that to the side. And then we get a see-through lid. I like this see-through lid. I might put that white on here with the see-through lid. I don't know yet. We're gonna see how we're gonna do this. But then we also get this that we ain't even gonna look at. But with that being said, man, where's the clipper at? Check it out. Here's the clipper. Y'all seeing it? Y'all seeing it right here? Let's go ahead and put it in the dock. So just so y'all can see how it looks in the dock. Check that out. Okay. I see you, Stylecraft. One time for the one time. I'm not exactly sure when this does drop, but when it does drop, you know you can go to stylecraftus.com, use my discount code TANK10. They might have pre-orders now, maybe a little later, I don't know, but use my discount code TANK10 at stylecraftus.com. But check it out. Y'all know what it is, man. We're going to put this thing to use here in a minute. So with that being said, let's go. All right, guys, so as y'all seen in the video, your boy was putting to use the new Instinct X clipper. Check it out one more time. We do get the fade blade on there. Instinct X from Stylecraft. Check it out one more time. As you can see, we have a charging port down here. We have the USB charging. I don't know if that's USB or USB. Nah, yeah, it's mini USB right there, as y'all can see. Someone's calling me. But we have a mini USB charging cord, charging spot where you can plug it into the mini USB, and then we got the charging port right here. It does come with a charging dock, and if you have the Tune 45 pods, if you have like the Ergo spot, you know what I'm saying, like the Ergo or the Flex pod, this one does fit in it. Now it's not 100% like perfect fit, but it does fit and it does charge, because that's what I've been using to charge this Instinct X. Now let's go ahead and start talking about this clipper a little bit. Now off the jump, I know a lot of people were in my comments. I know a lot of people were DMing me saying that this is basically just an Ergo. Now, it does resemble the Ergos a lot. As you can see, it looks like the Ergo a lot. However, it has the new vector motor from the Instinct. So if you used the Instinct before, you know that vector motor it's a more powerful motor than the magnetic motor that comes in the Ergos. So you do get a more powerful motor in this clipper. Now, I believe it's the same motor that comes in the regular Instinct, so I don't think it's an upgraded motor. I just think they upgraded the style and the shape of the actual clipper just to, so it can be maybe more ergonomic, maybe more appealing on the eyes. Because I know a lot of people didn't like the shape of the original Instincts. And me personally, I do like the shape of the Instinct X, but I kind of don't also. And let me explain, you know what I'm saying? Like, it looks cool, right? Like I said earlier, it looks just like the Ergo, a little shorter, a little thinner, but when you're holding it in your hand, it doesn't feel secure, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, it feels like it might easily fall out your hand or pop out because there's no grooves on it at all. And that may just be a personal preference thing. That may just be me, you know. People may not feel this way, but this is just my opinion, you know what I'm saying? But other than that, man, I would say that this clipper right here is a really good clipper. When it came to debulking, I was just mowing down through that bulk. When it comes to fading, it fades good. I was using the Stylecraft dub guards or the Gamma dub guards, whatever you want to call them. I was using those guards for most of my cuts. However, it does fit the Babyliss premium guards and the wall guards. So if you have those guards and you're used to that system, you don't have to use the dub guards. You can use those guards and it'll work perfectly fine because I did haircuts with the dub guards and then I also did haircuts with my Babyliss premium guards that I like to use more often. Now I'm gonna go ahead and turn this clipper on so y'all can hear the power on it. So I know a lot of people were in my comments saying that this clipper sounds loud. Now, mind y'all, the video that I posted on Instagram and on my YouTube Shorts channel, it's basically like the microphone on the camera, the microphone on the phone picks up a lot of noise. So when you turn this on, it sounded really loud, but in person, it's got a nice hum to it. Now, I'm not saying that it's like the quietest of motors. Yes, you do feel the power in it and you hear the power, but it's a quiet hum, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's not too loud, at least I don't think, when it's on. Sometimes you can't even hear when it's on in the shop, you know what I'm saying? Like, there's noise going on, people are talking, you just turn it on, you get to cutting, and you can't even really tell that the motor is on, opposed to you feeling the power in your hand. And then we do get a click lever. I believe you can take out this little ball inside the click lever and make it a fluid lever. I got hair on it because, you know, your boys have been using it and whatnot. We also get a stretch bracket that I may switch and put the stretch bracket on here just because I've been leaning more towards using stretch brackets. Like, I like my clippers to stretch a little bit now, so I may put that stretch bracket on there and give y'all an updated video later on. But off the jump, man, nice clipper, really like it. The only con that I have to it is like the shape and the ergonomics of it wasn't really my favorite in my opinion, but other than that, man, it's a solid tool. Debulks well, fades well, you know what I'm saying? Like, anything you need a clipper to do, this clipper can do it right here. Super powerful. I'm not sure exactly what the runtime is on it. I believe I read the runtime to y'all at the beginning of the video, so I don't remember what it is, but yeah, man, all in all, super dope tool. And if you are interested in purchasing this tool, you can go to the Stylecraft website, stylecraftus.com. Use my discount code TANK10. That way you can save yourself a little bit of money. They are on pre-order right now on their website. So stylecraftus.com, you have to pre-order this Instinct X, and it does drop December 1st. You know what I'm saying? They start shipping them out December 1st. So if you pre-order it, you can get it for $259.95 right now. But if you use my discount code TANK10, it'll knock that price down a little bit. That way you can save yourself a little bit of money, you know what I'm saying? But also, I know the family over there at Forward Barber Supply, they're doing pre-orders for this clipper also. So you can go to fwbarbersupply.com, and you can also use my discount code TANK10 on their website also. So you can purchase this from either fwbarbersupply.com or stylecraftus.com. Discount code TANK10 on both of those websites. So y'all check that out on those websites. Maybe you can get yourself a better deal on one website over the other. But yeah, man, that's basically it. But yeah, man, once again, Instinct X, I'm really liking this. I'm going to keep it in the arsenal. I'm going to keep using it. I'm going to keep rotating it in with my other go-to clippers right now. And yeah, man, that's what I think about this tool. But with that being said, man, that's basically it for this video. If you like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. And that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go.